Hello guys, I hope you guys are all doing very well. So in this video, I will show you guys how you guys can make easily $50 by trading on Deriv with the strategy higher and lower. So what we are going to do over here, we are going to open the 10 index, and over here you guys can see here that the return is very small. It is 16%. And what you have to do, and we have $300 in our trading account, so we have to open the 1 minute chart. And over here what you guys have to see, the moment it will, you can see the trend is going down. So we have $300 in our account, and as you guys can see, the return is very low, so that's why it is the best strategy over here. So we are going to, our first trade is going to be of $75, which is giving us a $12.16 net profit. So what you have to see here, that in the last three digits after the dot, if it shows any number between 1 to 5, we will take the trade. So let's see, if it's 5, we're gonna take the trade downward. Alright, so we have won our first trade. Now in the second trade, we will add the balance of the previous trade profit. So it is going to be $87.17. We have to wait for the number between 1 to 5. It's 9, it's number 2. Alright, we have lost this one, but you guys don't need to worry. We're gonna recover it with $135. We will take the trade, and it's 0, and now it's 7. Perfect. So we have recovered our, we've just recovered $21. The loss was around $87. So we are going to increase the stake one more time with $156. We have to wait number, it's 5. We're going to take the trade. Alright, we have won this one too. Now in the other trade, we are going to go with $181. We have to wait number between 1 and 5. It's 3. We are gonna take the trade. Alright, we have won this trade too. Now we're going to go with $210 between number 1, it's 1. We're gonna take the trade. Alright, we have won this one. As you guys can see, we have made $35, so $15 are left, and we are done with our daily target. So to get a return of $15, we will go with 70, no, we have to go with $90. No, actually 95. So you have to wait for number, it's 1, and we're gonna take the trade. Alright, perfect. So as you guys can see over here, we have made our $51.09 with this strategy. So the strategy is a bit different from the last video. As you guys can see, we have selected 10 index in this strategy, and we are going to select higher and lower, and we will keep the barrier offset as it is. We are not going to change anything over here. So this was the today's video. If you guys like this video, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share the video. And if you guys have any question, do let me know in the comments and I will answer that. Thank you for watching.